Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites so the steps work. Sign into your Apple ID in Settings and make sure iCloud is active. This links purchases and media. Once done, verify network connectivity, Wi-Fi preferred for large files, and charge the device above 20%. Now open Settings and go to Screen Time, locate content and privacy restrictions. You're about to change permissions, so note the Screen Time passcode. This prevents interruptions and ensures you can toggle purchase settings. Now make the actual changes. In Settings, open Screen Time and enable content and privacy restrictions. Tap iTunes and App Store purchases and set installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases to allow so purchases and media installs work. Next, review allowed apps and content restrictions. Adjust music, movies, and TV ratings to match your preference. This can block explicit content if enabled. Make sure the App Store and iTunes Store are visible in allowed apps. Otherwise, finish by signing into the App Store with the same Apple ID used in Settings, and confirm a valid payment method under Payment and Shipping if purchases are planned. Once set, restart your iPhone to apply changes and attempt downloading a free app to verify media and purchase permissions. If you still see blocks, reset the Screen Time passcode or sign out and back into your Apple ID. Often that clears sync issues. If the problem persists, check for a device profile or MDM that may enforce restrictions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.